space portals, luminous spheres, beings of light, and hypercommunication, Professor Kaloyerakis writes. Science, by transforming science fiction into imaginary reality, changed our world, making it a magical mirror in which you see what the human mind can imagine or cannot conceive. As a result of this imaginary reality, NASA announced that there are hidden portals in the Earth's magnetic field through which escape to and from the stars can be made, and allocated huge sums of money to study them. These portals are known, some as stargates, others as wormholes or extra-dimensional portals, others as communication channels, and have been the subject of study in theoretical physics and astronomy for decades. And today all research into their existence and function seems to be coming to an end as we continue to increase our understanding of the true nature of our reality. There are many magnetic gates, and that they open up and close dozens of times a day and are connected to our sun, which is a giant gateway to the galaxy. And of the gates that NASA has discovered, many of them are located just a few kilometers above Earth, and others reach the Earth. Some of these are short-lived, others are permanent, others are a few dozen meters in size, and others are gigantic, hundreds of kilometers long and of continuous duration. Magnetic gates are invisible, unstable, and fleeting. They open and close without warning, and there are no signs to show us their existence. In physics, a wormhole or communication tunnel is a theoretical shortcut through space-time in which the space-time constraints of three-dimensional space do not apply. We often wonder how aliens could travel from the distant universe to other star systems and galaxies, to other universes, and even to Earth, outside the known laws of space-time. The wormhole could be one of the many explanations for these journeys. Phenomena such as telepathy, precognitive prediction of upcoming events, the intuition, considered manifestations of hypercommunication through hyperspace. And he said, when I wrote about the luminous spheres 17 years ago, I was met with suspicion and ironic comments. Today, science calls them beings of light, explorers of galaxies who move through wormholes without the danger of interstellar travel. They are attracted to positive feelings of joy, love, kindness, and gratitude, individually or in group events such as in a litany, a common prayer, a group meditation, or when attention is intensely focused on something. Science seeks to find the key and secrets to the universe to open the cosmic gate that leads to the kingdom of the gods. The appearance of luminous spheres in Greek sanctuaries was a sign of positive entities and a common phenomenon. Modern scientific theories attempt to explain the phenomenon of spheres by supporting the view that the entire universe is full of rational beings in infinite forms and shapes, and the spheres must be creations of advanced civilizations. What exactly a person sees depends entirely on their personal sensitivity, their subjective perception, and their religious beliefs. Religious people, if they could see the luminous spheres, would describe them as a miracle, while Greek mystics, due to their spiritual level, were accustomed to seeing them in their sanctuaries, we're talking about the ancient temples of Greece, as a manifestation of the presence of their gods. Each person interprets the exact same stimuli in a completely different way, depending on their cognitive level. Lately, reports of sightings of luminous balls have begun to increase, not only in photographs, but also with the naked eye. It's worth wondering why this phenomenon has become so common. Common perception is that it is related to the new world that began after December 21st, 2012, phenomena that testifies to planetary evolution. The time of the heavens has come, and the luminous spheres are the harbingers of the new era. We're at a critical turning point, and the passages from other dimensions and other planes of existence have opened. American doctor Carol Lawson, hypnotherapist teacher of human body electronics in the USA. After 2.5 years of daily contact with what she came with these orbs, wrote in one of the articles, "The spheres of light, I'm able to know that they are truly living entities, thinking forms with their intelligence, and they come to our world from other dimensions. The spheres are very advanced creations and can slow down or speed up in their frequencies, ionize the atmosphere, and when they want to, imprint their hologram in order to communicate with us. They are trying to show us the doors of the galactic family since they have the technology to tune into any cosmic frequency. With this ability, they can see all or part of Earth's history, past or future. The spheres are at high frequency and can see everything that happens at lower frequency, so they can capture human brain waves from a distance, read thoughts, know desires, and appear when called upon. They come to our world from another reality, which is the fifth dimension, and that is why we cannot understand them, since they can rapidly take on various shapes, change colors, appear and disappear. The spheres are creations of the highest light technology, about which I write in detail in my book, The Unknown Archaeology of the Greeks. They are used by their manufacturers for the exploration of remote regions of the universe and for telescopic navigation of our Milky Way galaxy. They provide them with the ability to observe, record, and even interact with our world using interdimensional teleportation and communication assistance. Research into these spheres has now progressed, and it has been determined that they are made of high-tech energy vortices, the concentration of which has open cosmic orgone vortex channels in 35 parts of the world, 11 of which are located in Greece. Their channels are used by transcendent entities. The vortexes have existed for more than 1 million years and are always searching for life on other planets and other galaxies. On the contrary, humanity for thousands of years has been aware that it is not alone in the universe and has refused to accept the truth. And this was from Professor Kalogerakis from The Call of the Stars, page 118 to 113 in Dion Press Publishing House. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.